The following is a morning walk conversation with His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on March 30th, 1974, in Bombay, India.
It's like bodily action. Now you feel call of nature. So you have to pass within. That's all.
Does not take.
Huh?
That action you are not attached.
Yeah.
ઉદાસીનો વિચાર.
See, sum total is how to become gunasita.
Yes.
That is bhakti yoga.
But last is the bhakti. Then finally he said like that. Mam cheva vicharena bhakti yogi.
Yes, that is the only gunasita position.
These qualities are the taste of that man.
Huh?
After he attains that, these qualities are the taste of that
No.
man. How we can taste that man?
No, testing, that is also stated. Just like these Europeans, Americans, in their previous position,
Yes.
they had many bad habits. But somehow or other, they are taken to Krishna consciousness.
Yes.
That is their position, Gunadita. Even by habit, they commit something mistake. That is not to be taken into account.
No, that is not true.
Because, just here, just like a fan is moving
Yes.
and make the switch off. So the switch is off, that is first consideration. And after the switch being off, the fan is moving, that is no consideration. Do you understand? Because the fan was in force, so although you have made the switch off, it's still moving.
It's still moving,
And that is not to be taken into
That's
account.
not, yes, correct, because it's the old past actions.
Yeah.
That wheel has to
Yeah.
move. It has to move of its own.
That because the switch is now off,
Yeah.
it will stop.
It is stopped.
Satsat bhavati dharmatma. Satsat bhavati dharmatma. Because he has taken to the shelter of Krishna. Therefore, his all past business is finished. Although due to past habit,
Yes.
sometimes we find some mistake. It is not to be taken. Because these things will go.
This will be because of
Very
the light
soon.
of past actions.
Yes, very soon.
That wheel has to move and it will
Yeah.
stop of its own. Because it
Satsat
is not giving
bhavati.
further
What
impetus.
is that verse? Satsat bhavati dharmatma. Is that?
Satsat shanti में दिगच्छति.
हाँ.
Te प्रतिजानी न
Nami
मे
vakta
विनिश्चित.
panas.
दासीन वदासीनो गुणैः न विचार्यते. गुणा वर्तन्ते यो अवतिष्ठति नैव लभते. समदोष सुखस्वस्थ समलाप्ता सुखांतना.
To be careless. It's like somebody was asking me that rascal Bharati's article.
Yes.
Oh, that one Australian
Yes.
son. So, these rascals may speak something,
Yes.
but we cannot stop our movement. Our movement is increasing all over the world.
There is a positive
In
movement.
spite of all criticism.
That's
We don't care for that.
positive thing. There is no.
Because we know that we are following the footsteps of predecessor Acharya. That's all. We don't mind. And actually, it is happening. Otherwise, within 6-7 years, so much progress could not be possible. What is the word exact?
Arambha.
Arambha.
Arambha. Manapmanayo tulya tulya mitra vipakshyo sarva arambha parityagi.
That is another meaning, is beginning.
Beginning, that's right.
So,
Beginning of what?
there is no beginning. Just like it is already taken to Krishna consciousness. So why should he take something else beginning here? That should continue.
Arambha of what? Arambha is a Rudanta.
And another Arambho.
Arambha.
That is Hambak. Hambakism. Arambor.
Arambha nahi, this is Arambha.
Arambho.
Sir, Arambha.
Arambho means beginning. So it is already begun chanting Hare Krishna. What is the new thing? You begin this, you begin that. No, come on. That's all. Final. Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama. Cable.
But even then you have got to eat. You have got to go to WC.
That is going on. That is going on.
On these are these Arambha Parityagi. You don't take any cognizance of these works being done by the body. I think that is, to my mind, the exact meaning. I have not been able to grasp, and I want to know.
That I have already explained. If you have taken seriously Krishna consciousness, so something happening due to my past habit, you should not take care of it. It will subside.
It is not an Arambha.
Sarva Arambha Parityagi.
This is the final conclusion. Final conclusion. That if anyone has taken devotional service seriously, of Babhicharini means
Pativrata.
as instructed by the spiritual master. If one takes this business very seriously and is executing that, then he is Gunatit. That's all.
Brahmano ye pratisthaham amrutasya.
Brahma means Vedas. Brahma means there are so many things. So many things. Either Brahmana, Brahma Jyoti. People are very much impersonalist. They think realization of Brahma Jyoti is final. Just to reply them, this slok is Brahmana Aham Pratishtha. Where from this Jyoti is coming? This is very common sense.
Correct.
A Jyoti, just like this Jyoti, this clearness, no darkness, where from it is coming? Everyone knows it is coming from the sun. Without the sun, why at night there was no such Jyoti? Because the sun is rising, therefore this Jyoti has come. Similarly, now why don't you hear?
I am hearing.
Just here. It is very important point. The Jyoti, it must come through some source.
Jyoti has to come through source.
Yes. And that is confirmed in the Brahma Samhita. That Jasya Prabha.
Jasya Prabha, yes.
Jasya Prabha Prabhavatu Jagadanna Koti. Kotishu Aseshu Vasudhadi Vibhuti Bhinnam. This creation, the whole creation, even this material,
Yes.
that is depending on the Brahma Jyoti. Therefore, it is said, Sadvam Khaludam Brahma.
Saram khalu.
Because everything is depending on the Brahma Jyoti. And that is confirmed also in the Bhagavad Gita. Masthani Sarvabhutani. This Masthani means
Within the Brahma.
within the Brahma. And this Brahma is the effulgence of body of Krishna.
That is, Sajanand Swami said continually that you must never think that Krishna is without a body. He always says that you must never think that Krishna is without body. Without body there cannot be any. And Krishna has body and all this is a Brahma Jyoti
Pratishtha.
Amrutasya.
Therefore, Amrita.
That Brahma is Amruta and Abhyaya.
Amrita,
Visheshana Brahma.
Brahma, that is confirmed in the Srimad Bhagavatam.
Yes.
Brahmeti, Paramatmeti, Bhagavaniti Sabda. So the Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan, they are this one and the same.
Yes, Brahma is the Prabha.
But it is the person's realization.
Yes.
Now, common man, they can understand what is the sun sign, but they cannot know what is the sun globe or what is within the sun globe.
What is within the sun? Yes, correct.
So those who are satisfied only Brahma Jyoti, their knowledge is not yet perfect. They do not know where from the Brahma Jyoti comes. Who is the source of Brahma Jyoti?
So he has stated here.
Yes.
Now you ask.
As Paramatma, he is Kshetraga of everybody.
So he knows the working of everybody.
Yes.
Kshetra Jnayo Jnanam Tad Jnanam Matam Mama.
Yeah.
Tat Kshetram Yad Chayad Yogcha Yad Vikari Yata Chayad Sa Chayad.
Kshetraga. This point must be clearly understood. Then you go further. Kshetra, this body is Kshetra. Kshetra means the field of activities. Just like a Krishan works in his field. And he receives the result.
Yes.
As he works, he gets the result. Similarly, this body is Kshetra, and we are working with this body. And we are reaping the result. Karmana daivanetrena. Karmana. So this is the Kshetra and Kshetrata. Now, next he says that I am also Kshetraga. I am also Kshetraga. How he is Kshetraga? Because he is Paramatma.
He is the presiding deity.
Therefore, there are two Kshetragams. One, the Jivatma, and one, the Paramatma. The Mayavadis do not accept it. They say the only Kshetraga. Jivatma and Paramatma the same. Yeah, that is confirmed. There are two bars.
Bhagavad Gita it is.
Two bars, yes. Two bars. Bhagavad Gita is clearly said. Anumanta, Upadrashta. One Kshetraga is Anumanta and Upadrashta. Another Kshetraga is not Anumanta, he is simply enjoying.
But that is Dvavima Purusha Loke Kshara Chakshara Kshara Sarvani Bhutani Kutastho Akshara Uttamaha Purushastu Anya Paramatma iti Uttamaha Purusha Paramatma.
Khara and Akhara means conditioned soul and liberated soul. Those who are in the Vaikuntha world, spiritual world, they are all liberated souls. And those who are within this material world, they are conditioned souls. So, now let us finish. So, this should be clearly understood. That in this body, both the Paramatma and Jivatma live.
Stay together, live together.
But the Mayavadi, they says, there is no Jivatma, the same thing, Paramatma. That is not.
Those two bars are living on the same.
That is the difference. That is the difference. Paramatma and Jivatma, what is the difference? Krishna says, that Sarva Kshetreshu Bhara. This is very practical. That I am the Jivatma. I am living in this body. I know the business of my body, pains and pleasures. But I do not know what is the pains and pleasure of your body. You also do not know what is the pains and pleasure. Therefore, we are individual. But Paramatma, because he is there, he knows what is your pains and pleasure, what is my pains and pleasure. Not only you, but all living it. That is Paramatma. So those who are falsely claiming that I am Paramatma, that this is the test. Whether you are cognizant of everything.
Right.
Yes, but you cannot falsely claim that I am Paramatma or I am God. Whether you have got this all-pervading knowledge. This is the only test to the pretenders that he is God, he is Paramatma.
That is, you said Kshetra. Now Kshetra.
Yeah.
Mahabhutani Ahankaro Buddhya Vyaktameva.
Now he comes to the material
Pancha Indra Gochara
elements.
But Ichha Dvesha Sukham those.
Yes, that is.
Why they should be included? I don't understand that.
What is that?
I mean, these are all Mahabhutani Ahankaro Buddhya Vyaktameva Indriya. But Ichha Dvesha Sukham.
Ichha the mind. Mind is also material.
Sukham Dukham. Sangatas Chetana.
Yes, Chetana,
Buddhi.
intelligence, everything, these are all.
That also
These are all material.
Antakaran.
That's all material.
That is what you call the Linga Sharira.
But some foolish people accept the intelligence, mind, and spirit.
No, I understand now.
Sankhya fellow.
Huh?
Sankhya fellow.
Yes.
Etakshitam samasena savikaram. Now, amamnitvam, adambitvam, ahimsa, kshanta, indriya.
First thing, acharya upasana. But these rascals, they do not do that. They have no acharya, still they write comment on Bhagavad Gita. You see, this is the rascal. Acharya upasana. One must go, acharyavan purusha veda. Unless one accepts acharya, he does not do anything.
And then amanitvam,
First of all,
adambitvam,
try to understand one word, please. One word, if you understand, your life will be successful.
Yes, correct.
Don't go further. Acharya upasana. This is the very important thing. Acharya upasana. Yes. Sir, Acharya, who is Acharya? Then next question will be, who is Acharya? Evam parampara praptam imam rajam. Those who are coming, the Acharya Sampradaya, Sri Sampradaya, Rudra Sampradaya, the four Sampradayas. So unless Sampradaya Vihinaji, Mantrasti Vipula, unless one comes to the Acharya disciple succession, whatever nonsense he speaks, it is all useless. This is the most important thing, Acharya Upasana.
Saucham, Stairyam, Atma Nigraha. Again I read, amanitvam, adambitvam, ahimsa, kshantir, arjavam, acharya upasanam, saucham.
So Amanitam, instead of becoming Amanitam, these Mayavadis say, I am God. Just see, this is Amanitam. Huh? He falsely claims that I have become God now. Does it mean Amanitam? And here Vaishnava says, Gopi Bhattu Padakamaro Dasa Dasanu Dasa. This is Amanit. This is Amanit. I am a servant of this servant. And these rascals are saying, I am God. This is Amanitam.
Adambitvam.
How much dambhik, proud they are. They are claiming to be God.
Ahimsa.
Just see. Ahimsa means he is envious of Krishna. He is envious, not ahimsa. He is ahimsa being, though why Krishna should alone be God? I am also God.
Shanti.
The ahimsa begins from the Supreme. So all negative. These Mayavadis, they are himsa, they are proud, they have no sense of what is Amanitam. This is Mayavadi.
Kshantir arjavam.
And there cannot be Shanti.
Shanti,
Because
sure.
they cannot be. Shanti must be there.
Shanti.
Shanti.
Ksha, ksha.
Ajay, Khanti. Khanti means toleration.
Tolerance.
Toleration. But
Arjavam.
they do not allow Krishna to be the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Therefore, there is no Khanti, no toleration.
Saucham stairyam atma vinigraha. Saucham stairyam atma vinigraha. Indriyartheshu vairagya.
Saucham means Jasmaret Pundarikakham sa bhajjabhantaram shuchi. Because he does not know what is Pundarikakham. He does not chant Hare Krishna. That is not Saucham. This is Saucham.
Stairyam.
Stairyam means fixed up. Krishnasti Bhagavan sound. That is Stairyam.
Atma vinigraha.
Yes.
Indriyartheshu vairagyam anahankara evata.
Ananga, this is the first class ahankar, that I have become God.
Janna mrityu jara vyadhi dukha doshan darshanam.
Yes.
Asakti anaga putradara guhadishu nityam cha
So they have no detachment for putradara grihadishu. They talk very big words, but attached to the putradara grihadishu. This is not knowledge, this is ignorance. The taste is there. Whether you have become detached from putradara grihadishu. If not, you are in ignorance. You may talk very big words. That has no meaning. Yeah.
Nityam cha samachittatvam ishta anishta upapattishu mai cha ananya yogena
Again, the basic principle is Mai cha ananya yogena
bhakti vicharini vivikta desha.
This is the basic principle. Without this, everything is false. Everything is false.
Vivikta desha sevitam arate jana sansadi adhyatma jnana nityatvam tattva artha darshanam. Tattva jnana artha darshanam.
Artha darshanam.
Tattva jnana artha darshanam. Then you have perfect knowledge of the Tattva Jnana.
Yes.
This
This is Tattva Jnana. Yeah. This is Jnana. This is Jnana. The basic principle of Jnana is Ananya Bhakti Yoga. That is the basic principle of Jnana. Then other things will automatically come.
Ajnanam yataha anyatha.
Therefore in other place in Bhagavad, Rama Bhaktasya Kuto Mahadguna. If one is not a pure devotee of the Lord, he has no good qualification. And that is not possible. Because here is all same thing. The basic principle is devotion. If that is lacking, then all this show, humbug, it has no meaning.
Now that is we have said about the Param Brahma, na sat.
Who is that Param Brahma? That Krishna. Because Arjuna says, Parabrahma.
Brahma is Krishna.
Yes,
Brahma is Jyoti.
No, Parabrahma. Brahma Jyoti, that is not Parabrahma. Parabrahma is Krishna.
Parabrahma is Krishna.
Parabrahma is Krishna. Parabrahma Parangdhama Pavitram Paramam Bhava. So Parabrahma is Krishna. The Gyan means one who knows Krishna. He has got knowledge. Otherwise he is a rascal. That's all.
Anadi mat param brahma.
Maybe a big rascal or small rascal.
Like me.
But anyone who does not know, that is confirmed in another place. Bahunam janmanamante janavan mang prapaddate. That is the sign. When one surrenders to Krishna, then it is to be understood that he is really wise. Otherwise,
Anadi mat param brahma na sat na asat taduchate. Neither sat or asat. Neither existence or non-existence. What do you mean by sat?
Sat and asat. Asat, cause and effect of this material.
Cause and effect, not existence and non-existence.
No.
Cause and effect.
Cause and effect. The Mahatattva is cause. And this cosmic manifestation is the effect.
Yes.
So beyond that. Therefore, Krishna is said, Mahatpadam. The Mahatattva is lying at his lotus feet. Samasitaji padaballabham prabham. Mahatpadam. Mahatattva is lying on the lotus feet of Krishna.
Mahatattva is nothing but the beginning of the...
There is the total, sum total of material energy.
Cosmic energy.
Yeah, that is Mahatattva.
Shall I read together?
Yes.
Sarvatah panipadam tat sarvato akshi shiromukam sarvatah srutiman loke.
Now we are part and parcel of Krishna. So, my eyes, my hands, my legs, that is Krishna's. You see? This is Sarvato Panipada. So, if we understand this philosophy, that these eyes belong to Krishna, this hand belongs to Krishna, and now we are under the this is my hand, this is my eyes, this is my body, this is illusion.
Now this my should belong to Krishna, then everything belongs to Krishna.
Everything
ego must belong to Krishna.
Yes, because I am part and parcel of Krishna. So everything belongs to Krishna. Therefore, with my hands, with my legs, with my eyes, I cannot do anything except serving Krishna. How you can do? If the eyes belong to Krishna, how the eyes can be used for other purpose? This is real knowledge. That is explained in the Narad Panja. Sarvapadhi vinirmuktam tatparatena nirmala. That is nirmal. Nirmal eyes. Brahmabhuta. That is Brahmabhuta.
Sarva indriya guna basam sarva indriya vivarjitam.
Yes. Now,
asaktam sarvabhuteshu nirgunam guna
he has got indriya. Just like in the Vedas it is said, apani pada javana grihita. He has no hands and legs, but he takes whatever you offer. So now, that as soon as this word is there, that he accepts whatever you offer, that means he has got hand, indriya abhasa, but not this indriya, the 3 feet hand. Suppose if you offer me something, you are 3 feet away, I cannot take it. But Krishna is in Vaikuntha. If you offer him, he can accept. Otherwise he says, Patram puspam phalam toyam jovi bhakta prajacchati. Now he is in Vaikuntha and Goloka Vrindavan, we cannot calculate where he is, how he is taking. This is material calculation. But he has got such a hand that anywhere you live, he can accept. Otherwise, if he has no hand, therefore, he has no hand means he has no this little hand like
He has got no...
unlimited hand. Unlimited hand. That you cannot... How Krishna have body? The Mahabharata was the thing, how that can be body? If he has body, then he has limited potency. He cannot understand that although he has got body, he has got unlimited potency. Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha. Sachidananda Vigraha. That is different from this body. Because they understand that there cannot be any body different from this, they say Nirakara. Not Nirakara. He has got body, he has got senses, he has got hand, but not like you.
Sarvendriya Gunabhasam, Sarvendriya Vivarjitam,
Asaktam. Sarvendriya Vivarjitam means this rascal has legs and Vivarjitam. But he has got his particular type of hand and legs that they cannot understand. The limited knowledge does not allow them to know that there can be another hand which can be extended millions and millions of miles. That they cannot understand. Therefore, avajananti manam mudha manasintu. They think Krishna is like us. How he can be God?
Asaktam sarvabhutchaiva nirgunam gunabhrokpucha vahechanta cha bhutanam charamacharam evacha sukshasmarta digneyam durastham charikecha.
Durastham antikecha. Durastham. Nobody knows where is Golok Vrindavan, how many miles away. Durastham. They cannot calculate. But antikecha, he is within. He can accept a service.
Abhibhaktam cha bhuteshu vibhaktam eva cha sthitam.
Yeah. Abhibhaktam, the Paramatma, he is distributed. That does not mean he has become many. He is still one. Abhibhaktam. Although Ishvara Sarvabhutana, in this Arjuna Tisthati, cannot calculate. Now Ishvara is now divided, so his original position is gone.
Bhutapatku cha tadhyayam gasishnu prabhavishnu cha.
Yeah.
Jyotisham api tadjyoti tamasam.
Yeah, Jyotisham api tadjyoti.
Jnanam gneyam gnanagamyam.
We have got Jyoti calculation of this sun. But this sun is only a reflection of the Brahma Jyoti.
Jyotisham api tadjyoti tamasam paramajyoti. Jnanam gneyam gnanagamyam.
Yes.
Hridhi sarvasya veshtitam.
Yes.
Iti kshetram tatha gnanam gneyam cha uktam samasatah madbhakta etad vignaya.
Madbhakta, not rascals. The Madbhakta can explain these things, not others.
Yes, now comes.
Is it clear?
Yes, absolutely. I am a rascal. That is why I am reading.
You are a bhakta. How you can be rascal?
Sometimes I become. Prakritim purusham chaiva vidyanadi bhavapi vikaram cha gunam chaiva vidhi prakritim sambhavan. Karyakarana kartrutve hetu prakriti ruchyate purusha sukha dukkhanam bhukti. This is very important. Purusha sukha dukkhanam bhukti.
Yes, as he
Purush cannot
just like police. Police will punish you. You will have to suffer. But it is due to your criminal action, police has arrested you. You cannot make police responsible for your suffering.
Here Purusha means Jiva, no? That is what my difficulty
is. Prakriti, what is that?
Purusha prakriti stohi bhungte prakriti.
That Purusha means Jivatma.
Jivatma, not
Jivatma.
Paramatma. That's right.
Jivatma is within this body, Prakriti. This is Prakriti, material nature, Jivatma. So as you infect the quality of the Prakriti, you become, what is called, entangled.
At the highest line comes
you become entangled. You become entangled. Now as soon as you become entangled, suppose you become a dog, now you suffer.
But when the dog is there, he does not think he suffers. It's just like that.
That is illusion. That is called moha. Moha. One is suffering. Everyone is suffering. Suppose a big man, a minister, or the prime minister or the chief minister, he is also suffering. But he is thinking, now I am prime minister. That is illusion. Nobody is here peaceful. Everyone is suffering. Because threefold miseries, that is the condition of life. After all, Krishna says that if you are thinking that you are very happy, that you must know at least these things, janma mrityu jara vyadhi. How you can get out of it?
Yes.
You will die. Nobody wants to die.
Body dies.
But these rascals, they do not say death is natural. But why don't you like to die? That is suffering. But he thinks, no, it is good. But as soon as I say, I shall kill you, no, don't kill him, don't. He does not like to die. But helplessly. Just like...
he who dies.
Then again you are...
Because he has got this...
Identification is all right. But you must come to the practical point. Then don't treat any person. You can say, who is suffering?
Body.
We
are treating the body.
There is no need of taking medicine.
I am treating the body. I am not treating you. You are treating
That's all right. The body is there. And you are absorbed in body. Therefore there is suffering.
You are the physician of Jiva.
You may say that I am not this body and I am just this body. But when the body is going to be killed, you become afraid. Because you are absorbed. Why go beyond this practical point? Just like everyone knows that you are not the motor car. Everyone knows. But as soon as there is any breakage in the nice motor car, I am gone. Why are you gone? You are not motor car. But because you are absorbed in the sense that it is my car, you have become absorbed. So any accident to the motor car, you become unhappy. But everyone knows that you are not motor car. Why you become unhappy? This is called Maya. So you are not completely free. So long we are in this body, the suffering of the body is there. Therefore Krishna says that tang titikha sabhara. Just tolerant. Just tolerant. Matra sparsastu kaunteya, sitoshna sukadukkhata. Agamapaina nitya tang titikha. Don't be mad, but because my motor car is now broken. Or there is some accident in my house. But you are not house, now you are not motor. Everyone knows that. But why you have become so much affected? There's a tang titikha sabhara. You have to tolerate.